You got me in my feelings. Can't back away, I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna make it real. You got me in my feelings. Can't back away, I feel. You got me in my feelings.
Hey, what's up everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we are going to introduce one of the most top listed project in 2025. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own, study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate the best return by using dollar toilet, so it's a perfect opportunity for you. So you need SUI because it's based on SUI network, so you need SUI to buy that. So I will tell you all the information, and please don't miss any part of this platform, because in next few minutes I will guide you how basically you can join that, and it's up to you which wallet you want to select. If you want a SUI wallet, so you can easily download from Play Store or Google Store, and it's optional. You can use some another wallet also, so all details are here. So basically the potential of this platform inspired me to introduce this platform in front of my community, because looks to me in the future you can generate massive return if you hold that and wait until the right time. And next you can see the process, how basically you can buy that. First you need to create SUI wallet, and if you don't want to create SUI wallet, so it's a choice. You can go on Google Play Store and you can download some other wallet, and you can transfer SUI, and after that you can easily buy the wallet. So it's quite amazing and easy process. You can see the address is given, and you can easily verify each and everything, because each day a lot of projects are launching, so few of them are scam, few of them legend. So it's your responsibility to verify each and everything, because it's a matter of your investment. So I always recommend my community that it's very important to join their links. When you join their links, you will become the member of their community, and you will be updated with upcoming news regarding that particular project. So I was discussing with project owner, and in the end we decided to introduce this platform, because looks to me that this platform has a massive potential inside, and in 2025 you can generate best return, and it can make a big difference for you. So next you can see here the tokenomics, and tokenomics you can see here the details. And next you can see trade 10%, and next you can see marketing and see listen 10%. So these are the tokenomics. You can visit tokenomics and get more information. It's just for your guideline, and you can verify its potential, safety, security, and its reliability. Next you can see here join the talent moment and discover how blockchain and community and collaboration and redefine the future together on SUI. So we saw in recent years SUI how it jumped on Binance, because in the recent year it was 0 point something, and at the moment it crossed the limits. And so you need SUI to buy $12, so keep in mind that. So next you can join their community also, and we will check it out on DEX screen. At the moment the current price, each and everything is very important to understand, so we will check it out, its current price at the moment. So you can see here, I will open the DEX screen. So here we go. So you can see here guys, the price at the moment, it's quite acceptable price at the moment, and it's a perfect opportunity for you to jump in right now. And if you jumped in early, you can buy with reasonable price, and when it hit its target, so you can easily achieve your target. So this was the detail about that. And next you can see here all informations on DEX screen is there. So you can see here the pair with SUI, and you can see all the information, all the details, each and everything is mentioned. So I already told you that it's quite reasonable price at the moment. You can easily jump in and buy it at early stage. Okay, next guys, let's see Twitter. So we'll see how much potential and what kind of tweets and informations are there. It's very important to study and understand each and everything before start investing in any kind of platform. So I will provide you all the information about that, and you can join their community on Telegram also. So all links are available. So I will post all the links in description. If you have any question and queries, so you can jump in, so you can approach the team. They will guide you. So this is a so simple process, and you can easily buy that. So how basically you can Okay guys, next you can see here how basically you can buy that. It's very important to provide you a proper guideline how basically you can buy that. So click on buy. So we will enter the page where you can buy, and with one SOE, let's check it out how much dollar toilet you can get. So 38,041. So at the moment it's quite reasonable price. I already told you it's the perfect time to buy that. You can connect your wallet and you can easily buy that. So here, if you have a wallet, so you can connect your wallet. Otherwise you will download your wallet first, and after that you will connect your wallet, and you can copy the address, go back to trust wallet. You can easily manage and you can buy that. So with the one SOE at the moment, it's quite amazing. So you can buy and hold that and wait until it hits its target, so you can easily generate the best return. So hope so you briefly understand about that, guys, and if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding the dollar toilet. So we'll meet our next video, guys. Until then, bye bye.